Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Natively. Today is the seventh day of me building an app every day for 30 days. So let's build an app today. Let me share my screen. It's a week now since this competition. Perfect. So here is Natively. Yesterday, 2 days ago, one of our listeners, he asked me to build an app that he has the idea for. And he sent me a message on Discord. So I'm building that app idea today, and of course, giving the ownership to him. So I just copy paste the prompt here. Is that so? Of course, I give the ChatGPT build app. So the name is Fotomo. It's a warm an adaptive photo gallery app that helps people to train their memory who have dementia or any other memory difficulties. So I think this is an actual problem that so many of our grandparents face it. They either have dementia or some other memory issues, Alzheimer. So, and this friend of us that he suggested the idea, he wants to build this for his grandparents and neighbors who are suffering from this issue. So I will just give it a go, and then we'll see how this goes. Um, Yep. So for those of you who are joining me new, I'm building one app per day for 30 days, and give it away to someone who wants to build it further. So if you want to take over any of the app, actually the last ones, like yesterday one is not yet given. The game one, it's still, up there. So maybe I will take it over. But we have given the other ones to to any friend who asks us. So this project will not be given to anyone because this idea is our friend's idea who just give us the idea. Yeah, but tomorrow and the other days, you can just pick up one of those apps that I'm building and then build it further. And if you want to build any app with Natively, just go in the description. There is a link which is community link. So if you go and make an account with that, you will give 5 more prompts additionally because of community, and also because like you're coming from YouTube and listening. So yeah, just go use that opportunity and get 5 more prompts and just build your app idea. Um, I would never imagine, a day where I could just build an app within minutes 2-3 years ago. But now because of AI, it's so possible, and it's just so possible. There's no more words to describe this. It's just like crazy speed and crazy times. Yeah. So Native is building. Um, of course, you can see more information here: database, environment variables, how it applies to the App Store, iOS and Android. You can also share the app here with others. You can download it. You can see the project setting. Nice. You can see the code here. Meanwhile, let me go and find the design. As always, I'm going to Pinterest, my favorite place for some design ideas. Let me just copy this here. Adaptive photo gallery app. Let me see if it shows anything here. I think it should be more like pictures of families or places. Yeah, this idea, I have to look and find some ideas, some app ideas. This could be fun. Let me save this in case I will use it. Yeah, like you have to play with the words in order to find something that actually works. Based. Let's go to. Okay, nice. This is done. Let me upload this. Please use this for the general design and keep the parent lyrics. Let's see. Yeah, let's see how it changes. That's nice. Like you add a picture. Let me add a picture. Let me add a picture. Oh, nice. It shows actually. Yeah, it shows. This is cool. Nice. Yeah, actually, it works. This is nice. Yeah. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will connect the Supabase because yeah, we need Supabase for this project. Memories, uploading the pictures, saving them. So I gave the authorization to Natively. Okay. Yep. Good. Yeah, and I'll connect this with dog walking app because I don't have lots of memory left in Supabase, so I will just connect it here. Yeah, nice, it's connected. So if you come to dog walking app, you see that we have 24 tables, and these tables are all from other apps that I have built so far. And of course, when I give you the project to you, you will not have access to a Supabase, so you need to put your own Supabase. Wow, yeah, it copied the design. Nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, like building something that our grandparents can use. That's so sweet, actually. Yeah, like sometimes, we think that there are apps for everything. There are. But sometimes, there are not. Or sometimes they're not, the way it should be, because um elder people, they need a different way. They need a different app. Yeah, I mean the user experience is different for them. So they really want to have a very unique experience with the apps. That's interesting work. Perfect. Let's just give this one. And if you're vibe coding on a project, please drop the link under the video on YouTube, and then I will love to check it out. Yeah, I think now everyone is building, and I think that's the good part of it. And also, lots of people are learning what to build because like you're building an app, you think that yeah, it's gonna be useful. Like then you're changing it because you really see the user feedback, and then they like users want something different. I think really the building skill is more about making something, make it work, test it out, get the feedback, and move on. So it's really um, like that formula. So yeah, if something doesn't work, you just move on to another idea. Wow. Okay, change everything here. Wow. So this is the welcoming page. Cherish memories, memory training, adaptive experience. This is cool. Yeah, I think. Also, I really want to add something like a cool design. Okay, nice. Okay, I have to fix this training part. It doesn't work. Yeah, because I think kind of like training part needs AI just, so that it's kind of understands and then, yeah, probably. Let me find some other designs. Okay, let's connect the Supabase and build the back. Yeah, like remember that it has 24 tables. Once the new tables are added, this number will increase. Yeah, I want some nice designs. Nice. Yeah, like with design, you have to really search a lot. Feels cool, but not for today. Yes, we have 4 more tables. You see, it was 24. Now it's 28. Let's check the tables. Yeah, photos, memory, game stats. No, this is not for the game. Yeah, I think notes and profile, user profile. Maybe this one, yeah. Yeah, if you go to my account, you can see that I have built so many apps here. A lot. Nice, this is done. Yeah, I have to fix this. Nice. Yeah, I'm just thinking about design. I think, yeah, as a builder, you really have to think about what design do you want to use. But also, it should really reflect how the users will see it and how the users will, understand that and how the users will love to use the app. So I think there should be a balance between them, like yeah, between those things. That's correct. Yep. Yeah, I think now I don't know how to go to that welcoming page. My phone is there, but I think it should have added the picture there. So yeah, I mean, simply what's our idea is build a simple app for memory issues like dementia and other memory difficulties, and we just have build it, with simply with like just like with simply with 3 prompts. So this is our first prompt. Then we ask, for the second design. And then we just ask for the third design, the second one. Yeah, and then it's building. This is it. This is built for grandparents and anyone who has issues with this issue. I'm gonna fix the issues here after this recording, and then give back this to my friend who have given the idea to us. And of course, I'm gonna delete the database part of this, so he will connect his own database. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and please do share if you have any other idea that you want me to build. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.